This is my 200 euro bike, which I fixed and crashed. And today we're taking it for a ride because I have no clue what to do with it, and then we will see how much it really cost me, which was way less than I anticipated, like way less.
So, in case you're new, this is my 1982 Cagiva SX 350, and since last time I did a few things to it. I straightened out this handlebar because that video ended with me crashing this bike, and my handlebar was like this. Am I going the right way? I've never been here. It needed new tires, a new chain, new brake pads, and I think that was it. Oh yeah, stuck at a traffic light on an air-cooled two-stroke. You know, the blinker horn, it gets old after a while. Come on. Yeah, once you're over that ridge spot, it runs super clean, but I'm already like full lean on the needle, and I went like leaner on the pilot jet as well, so this is as good as I can get it. Let's see, top speed. It's already faster than my Guzzi. 110. I think it could do 120, but I'm not doing it. Don't put your feet on the ground. Yes. You know what? It doesn't ride half bad when going slow. The weight is so far back, and I have to ride like an idiot, like a taxi driver, to avoid fouling plugs. Plug, singular. Thankfully, I don't have two on this one. Yeah, fifth gear is a big all overdrive. It's so gummy, and like it feels like the front end is not attached neither to the ground nor to the rest of the bike. I'm gonna have to check every single bolt, nut, fastener, everything. This bike vibrates so much. Like, it's worse than my Guzzi, and that bike already shoots bolts like a Ducati having a really bad day. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, I can't see where I'm going. The front end is super light. The brakes are so spongy, which is weird because it has like the same components, like same master cylinder, same caliper disc, everything as my Guzzi. And I think these two bikes are like pretty much the same weight, but on this bike it's so bad. Like the front brake is so spongy, and I bled it a lot. Oh man. It's like everything that connects you to the road on this bike is made out of meringue. I want to take it off-roading a little bit though, just to see what it does.
Which means coming face to face with the arch nemesis of an 80s dual sport. That's right, the twisty road. But then something unexpected happened. I started having fun. Yeah, so anyway, off the pavement.
Jumping the Cagiva. Oh no, someone went... someone overshot that corner. It could be me. Excuse me, I will take my leave. Hey, front end. Oh, if only it wasn't running like dog water. I think it is a good time to point out that the gearing is not stock. It's, I think, 2 teeth smaller, like 2 teeth taller on the rear sprocket. So I have to change between first and second, I think more than you would do if it was like stock gearing. Stock gearing, maybe you can just leave it in second gear if it was running decent. Oh, but she's rowdy! Finally a 2-stroke that feels like a 2-stroke. Jesus, my Guzzi feels like a 4-cylinder 4-stroke. It doesn't have like a power band. It just pulls more and more the more you rev it. This one, get it above 4.5, 5, and you take off, brother. Oh, let's try some of this, shall we? Hell yeah. Tractoring up that. No traction loss. Even on these leaves. Man. Okay, maybe I was wrong. Yeah, maybe it's not a complete piece of shit. Yeah, mountain goat! Yeah, it's done. It's finished. Saying that this bike in this state is a €200 bike doesn't sit right to me. Like, it's not. I had to spend money on it. Which leaves us with the final thing, I guess, about this build project. How much was it? Like, how much did I actually spend on it? So buying it was €200, and because I live in Italy, I had to spend more than that on like paperwork bullshit. Right away after I bought it, I had to spend €220 to get a title, like to get a new title in my name. And then I had to buy this and spend this amount. So in reality, this bike cost around $1,000, maybe, like all in, considering the used bike market, especially like older bikes, is doing the best impression of 80s and 90s Ozzy Osbourne. It's not too bad. Now, will I keep it? I don't think I will. Not because I don't like it, like complete opposite. The more I ride it, the more I like it. It is a gas guzzler. Like this bike, I think I filled it up halfway through this like little loop I've done. Yeah. It was full like, I don't know, 20 kilometers ago. I don't think this bike is getting more than like, I don't know, 10 liters per 100 kilometers, and the fuel tank isn't that big. And if I had to be completely honest with you, this bike is money. Like, I can sell this bike for good money, and you can sell these for like 3.5 grand. I'm not going to put it up for that. I already have a guy who wants to buy it for way less than that. I'm not a shark, but you know, I would still make money off of it, and I need it. And if I could afford it, I would keep it, because this is like prime second bike, like prime fun bike. It's great around here in the woods, and if I weren't such a twink, maybe I would have more fun on it, like wrestling it around trees and stuff. Which means I will have to look for another bike like this, but why don't I just fix my Aprilia? It is a bike like this that works. Why don't I just fix my Aprilia?